In the journey of life, the fuel that powers us is the food we eat. A balanced diet isn't a fad, it's a lifestyle. It's a choice we make every day for every meal for our better health. What do we mean by a balanced diet? It's an assortment of foods that nourish every part of you. It's a blend of proteins, carbs, fats, fruits, veggies, grains, and dairy. It's a colorful palette of nutrition that your body craves.
Protein is the building block of life, the brick and mortar of your body. From your skin, hair, and muscles to your very DNA, protein is essential. Incorporating lean meats, poultry, fish, legumes, and dairy into your meals ensures you're covered.
Carbohydrates are not the enemy. They are the energy providers, the fuel for your fire. Whole grains, fruits, and veggies are teeming with them. They give you the energy to conquer your day and reach that extra mile. Fats often get a bad reputation, but there's a difference between good fats and bad fats. Good fats, like those in avocados, nuts, fish, and olive oil, are necessary for brain function and cell growth. They're the lubricant in the machinery of your body. Vitamins and minerals are the unsung heroes of a balanced diet. They're the guardians of your health, protecting you from diseases, keeping your bones strong, your eyes sharp, and your skin glowing. A dash of citrus here, a sprinkle of leafy greens there, and you're good to go. Fiber is the traffic cop of your digestive system. It keeps things moving smoothly, preventing heart disease and diabetes. Fruits, veggies, whole grains, and legumes are fiber's best friends. Water is the elixir of life. It's involved in every bodily function. Hydrate, not with sugary drinks, but with pure, clean water. Your body will thank you for it. A balanced diet isn't about deprivation. It's about diversity. It's about feeding your body with a wide array of nutrients. It's about loving yourself enough to give your body what it needs. Benefits? There are countless. A stronger immune system, increased energy, better mental performance, and longevity. Physical health and mental health are all interconnected. Feed your body right and your mind will follow. The road to a balanced diet may seem daunting, but remember, it's not a race. It's a journey. Begin with small changes. Swap chips for nuts, soda for water, and fried for grilled. Baby steps are the keys to the change. Listen to your body. It's smarter than you think. When it's full, stop. When it's hungry, feed it with nutritious food, not junk. Honor your hunger and fullness. Your body knows best. Balance also means indulging occasionally. Yes, have that piece of cake and enjoy that ice cream. But remember, balance is key. One indulgence doesn't define your diet. What you consistently eat.
Remember, it's not about the perfect diet, it's about a balanced one. Don't strive for perfection, strive for balance. Because balance is sustainable, balance is healthy.
So take a pledge today. Pledge to love your body, to nourish it, to respect it. Pledge to embrace a balanced diet for a healthier, happier you. You owe it to yourself. In the end, we have one body, one life. Let's fuel it right. Let's fuel it with balance. Because a balanced diet is not just about living longer, it's about living better. So are you ready to take the first step?
This video was brought to you by the Advoop Media Group of Canada. If you found these short videos helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your loved ones, and most importantly, hit the subscribe button to stay ahead of the curve with our upcoming videos. Your support fuels our passion to bring you more of the top-notch content you deserve. Stay tuned for more exciting updates. Thank you for being a part of this community. See you in the next video.